I'm Tony Hanley. I'm the Managing Director of FirePro UK. We're the distributor for the FirePro product throughout the UK and Ireland. Fire suppression has had a number of challenges over the years, and through the progression of technology, the efficiency of fire suppression has got better and better. It's actually better still now through the use of condensed aerosol technology, in particular FirePro. And the reason why is that the modularity of FirePro allows itself to fit in all types of enclosures for a number of different applications. FirePro, as a condensed aerosol, extinguishes fire by changing the molecular structure of the fire itself. And what that means is that as a condensed aerosol, and this is not an aerosol that comes from a can, aerosol could be a cloud, could be cigarette smoke, but what it means is that it can penetrate in areas where gas or water mist may not be able to. And that means that we can work in very small enclosures to very large rooms. FirePro has a number of different applications, from heritage buildings through to diesel generator rooms to electrical switch rooms, from different types of buildings, from hospitals to hotels, etc., etc. I think where there's a risk as far as fire is concerned, FirePro will probably have an application that will provide early detection and early warning and early suppression, and that's what FirePro is all about. Safety is an inbuilt feature of FirePro in so much as all of the systems are completely monitored, which means all of our cabling, our output wiring, and everything to do with the components is all completely fault tolerant, as it were, and fault monitored. All it means is that as a product and a system, we can meet the most exacting standards anywhere in the world, as we have done for the last 15 years, and there's more development and some good stuff that's going to come very shortly. The compatibility of FirePro is quite unique. First and foremost, what it won't do is dictate the type of detection system that it needs to work with. It's very flexible in terms of what it will work with from different types of applications. So it could be ultraviolet, linear heat detection, point detection, that's actually suited to providing the earliest risk possible for the bespoke application. And that's what makes FirePro quite different. Scalability of the product means that we fit in the smallest of spaces right up to the largest warehouse. Product's actually sold in over 72 countries worldwide. And that just means that the reach that the product has globally means that there's a distributor or there is somebody local that will service that installation and look after it as a competent person and make sure that the customer's got the best from the product. We're at FIREX in London, which is now the international show here in the UK. The nice thing about doing FIREX is simply because we have a number of distributors that actually come and see us, not just to say hello and socialise, but there'll be more and more opportunities that will be discussed and more inquiries, so that's all good for business. And in terms of where the future lies is that we know that our cost of ownership, as far as when customers do decide to buy the product, we know that there's no pressurised cylinders, there's no pipe work. We know that the room integrity testing doesn't have to be done as strictly. So we can prove a number of different things that ultimately make our cost of ownership probably 20 to 25% lower than what conventional methods would be, say with maybe a water mist system or a gas suppression system. So that's really what FirePro is all about.